We're at Jimmy's house this morning and I'm tired. Had a late night last night, and so I'm kind of glad Jimmy's hired some people to do the actual shoveling today. But he's put in these rock, some, I don't know, river rock, and he's decided he doesn't like them. So he wants to take them out, and so what's my job? My job is to be a power wheelbarrow. Pretty much it. I brought the 4-in-1 bucket thinking I might end up digging some of this up, but given that it's on the plastic, I think it'd be a lot easier, or a lot more effective, just to have the guys shovel it. That's helping them right there. Did I get much? I've never used it before, Christy.
This was quite a big project. Jimmy's dad wanted the river rock for his yard, so Jimmy rented 2 dump trailers. He had also already had some mulch delivered. So we started by filling one of the trailers with the river rock. So Jimmy, what do you got going on? What are you doing? Why are you moving all this stuff?
Well, originally we were going to paint the house in a tan, and we thought the river rock would give us a nice contrast. And then we decided to go a different direction. We painted the house white, so the rock looks really bland, and it's been bothering me for a while, so we decided to go to a black mulch and change out the retaining wall to a natural stone.
Okay.
So I think it's going to give us a good contrast.
You're a much better designer than I am. If I had this stuff down, it would be down for years.
Well, Christy, if I was a better designer, I wouldn't be doing this twice.
Well, you kind of changed your mind.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Yeah.
And you look at it and you say, not quite what I want.
Right.
And you're willing to put in the work and the effort. Of course, today you hired people to help.
Right. You got hired to do this. Is a lot of gravel. This is probably about 22 tons of gravel.
Wow.
That we use with your dump trailer.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Well, by the end of the day, it should be gone.
It'll be gone and the mulch will be down. So
yeah.
Appreciate the help from Tim and Christy.
Yep, power wheelbarrow.
Tractor time with Tim.
Always give us a call. Jimmy's been in quite a few of our videos. He was our neighbor at our prior house before we moved to the larger property. He loves getting a chance to operate the equipment.
So what do you think of Johnny Q?
I love the bucket and a little bit more power.
It is.
It is. It's a little more power. I like it.
I think the engine runs smoother.
It does. Like the red max saddle.
You like that auto throttle?
Yeah, auto throttle. Yeah.
Now you can still use a manual throttle if you want. That kind of sets the minimum.
Yeah.
That's kind of how you can use it. It sets the minimum speed you want to go.
I like it. Very versatile. And surprisingly not too bad on the grass.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe if we had done it, we could see whether it was any worse.
Yeah.
So far I can only haul one at a time.
Oh, whoa, Tim, got the plastic down. I wonder what you were doing.
You're just standing around. Come on.
Jimmy, he just wouldn't take time for plastic. We just dump it on the ground.
Plastic. It's all going to rot down anyway.
Go ahead and dump all of it? Yeah. Come on back a little bit.
Go back.
Tim would alternate between hauling the rock or putting out the mulch. Having the tractor there really saved a lot of time. Without the tractor, the guys would have had to wheelbarrow the rocks around to the trailer. It would have been a lot harder to get the rocks into the trailer also.
Now, this tractor doesn't turn as short as Johnny, and I actually noticed it, like here, because I really couldn't go out any wider, and so getting this 90-degree turn is a little bit more difficult.
I didn't get the camera turned on in time, but Tim tried digging it up with his bucket. That didn't work out too well.
I think I may just make it worse when I try to scoop like that.
You got a lot of dirt and plastic in the bucket.
This is the first time we brought Johnny to a project where we've been close to houses, residential, and it's actually a little bit too big. Nothing that we've done here would have taxed Johnny. We're using the same bucket we would have used with Johnny. There's no reason we needed the bigger machine. Now, it's nicer, it's got the auto throttle, it's a nicer, bigger, heftier tractor, but the larger turning radius is a disadvantage. So bigger isn't always better.
Is it also heavier? Is that making it, the ground is kind of soft?
The ground is definitely soft. I honestly don't know how this would compare to Johnny. I don't think Johnny 1 would do very good on this either. It's got smaller tires, so smaller surface area that would hit the ground. So, the actual pressure on the yard, I don't know, it might be similar. It would be an interesting stat to find out. But I don't think, as muddy as it is, I don't think either one would have done very well.
You're full.
Yeah, I know. Got to get going. They're loaded. I talk and they work.
Exactly.
Well, it would have been difficult for Johnny to have raised this load that high, probably. So, maybe Johnny 2 does have some advantages.
Jimmy had gone and got this mulch with one of the trailers that morning, but he had to dump it on the driveway so he could load the rocks. Just like the rock, it would have taken a long time to use a wheelbarrow and move this mulch all the way to the far side of the house. Even with the tractor, we spent 6 or 7 hours there removing the rock and then putting down the mulch. I can't imagine how long it would have taken with a wheelbarrow.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of gravel there.
I would not put any more in the front of that thing.
I'll stick it right here over the wheels.
Okay, so I thought he was going to dump all that on the ground.
Tearing up stuff.
It's hard to get good help, Jimmy.
I said, hey, keep the yard nice looking. He makes a new line every time he goes. Good free help, it's tough
Yeah.
these days.
Hey, that's a good point that I may have not mentioned on this channel. I try hard not to drive in the same track repeatedly. The grass can handle 1 or 2 trips, but a dozen is pretty tough on it.
Here's the house with half rock and half mulch. It really does look better with the black mulch. Jimmy was right. Tim gave Jeff a chance to operate Johnny 2. Another rare glimpse of Tim on the end of a shovel. Jimmy's dad hauled 1 load of rocks to his house. Then he used that same trailer to go to the nursery and get another load of black mulch. Well, Jimmy ran out of places to put the mulch, and so he had bought a little too much. They decided just to pile it at the edge of the driveway. You'll find some place to put it.
Jimmy, you got us working for you again.
I know, it's awesome.
It looks good.
I'm sweating, and you're not.
Because all I did was sit and talk.
I know. Sit on the tractor.
Well, I learned from Jeff here, because I never really saw Jeff working that hard either. And, you know, Jeff, your first time on Tractor Time with Tim.
Yes, it is.
Congratulations.
I enjoyed it.
It's great to be back in the old neighborhood. I'm glad to see you kind of sprucing up the place a little bit.
Yeah.
Really, we're hurting resale values and everything, you know.
The riffraff's out of here.
Yeah.
We're cleaning up a little bit, the value went up.
Really, we do thank you for having us over. It's a lot of fun. And thank you for watching, everybody, and we'll see you next time on Tractor Time with Tim. And Jim.
And Jim.
And Jeff.
And Jeff.
Lucy, come over here, Lucy.
Come on.
Lucy,
Go
come
ahead.
on.
Get it.
Come on, Lucy. Come on.
I need a rake. She likes to climb on it.
Yeah.